Hello everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X, and this is the second tutorial in the Advanced Java series, and today we're going to talk about user inputs. Now, I don't know how about you guys, but for me it wasn't that obvious on how to do it, so I decided for the first actual tutorial we're going to talk about that. So, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to make a variable which will be a scanner variable. There's a class in Java Utils that is called scanner. So scanner, let's call it reader, and it's gonna be equal to a new scanner with system.in, as you can see right here. Now let's just import scanner from Java Util here, as you can see right here, and after you have that you can do system.out.println, and just let's decide on what we're gonna use here. Let's say enter a number. Okay, now in the next line what you're gonna do is to actually read the user input. So let's say, because enter a number might be let's say an int. Okay, let's say the number we're gonna put in it's gonna be an int. So let's say int n for a number is equal to reader, the same variable right here, dot next int. So the next int is actually gonna be the next line. So let's say, just so we know it's actually working, let's say system.out.println, and let's say n. Okay, now after you are done with your system, you gotta do reader dot close, and that's just gonna keep going. Okay, so as you can see, this is from the previous tutorial. We can just comment out, Okay, if you don't know the shortcut on how to do it, it's Control/ in Windows. I don't know on Mac, but let's check it out. So right here it's gonna ask us for a number, let's say 2. So as you can see, your input number is green, and if you press enter it will type 2, the same number you put in the system. But let's say you don't want your user inputs to be an int. Let's say you want it to be a string or float. So first of all we're gonna do, let's say float, so float, here we go, float, and this won't work anymore I think, so we just have to make dot next float. Okay, now it's gonna print out. So now we can type in and float number, so 3 point, and as you can see right here it stopped right here. I don't know why, but I guess it's the limitations. About the limitation we're gonna talk about it in next video, not in this one. I don't have enough time. So okay, so we've got a float now. Let's say you want a string. So let's first of all change this. Let's say type hello. So unless you don't know how to say hello, hello is not a number. You gotta have to write it as a string. So first of all, this cannot be here. So let's say this is now a string and it's a string, and it will tell you here that this is an error. So for an int variable, this part needs to be an int. For float, and for string you don't need this part. Just next. And if we run it, type hello, and hello. It's that simple. Now you can also say right here, so you can also type right here, let's say it looks like you hello, so no, plus, let's say hello to you. Okay, of course we need here space so it won't be connected, and let's check it out. Hello, and hello to you too. Okay, I haven't thought about it, but just delete this hello and do one step. Nope, okay. Let's try it again. So, hello and hello to you. Okay, pretty simple, I know, pretty basic, but I haven't started from this level of Java. I started from a higher level, so this wasn't that simple for me. At the start I needed to search it on the internet, but I think I pretty much got it. So this is it for this video, for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, I hope you learned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.